is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3:15 a.m. At 1:14 a.m., observations indicated an abrupt increase in east to northeast wind speeds as the rain ends. Winds over land have been observed over 40 knots across north-central Illinois with this area. The quick increase should occur along the Illinois nearshore between 1:45 a.m. and 2 o'clock a.m., and along the Indiana nearshore between 2 o'clock a.m. and 2:30 a.m. Wind speeds will then be slow to diminish through the overnight. Mariners can expect strong winds to or in excess of 40 knots, and increasing waves. Boaters, especially those under sail, should seek safe harbor immediately until the high winds subside. Hazardous weather outlook for north-central